Hi guys! Today I'll be doing this fall-like smoky golden easy eye. If y'all like to see how to get this eye look like this, keep on watching. Let's start with priming. I like to spray the Mario Badescu spray, if you can see that. The Mario Badescu spray all over just to moisturize. It's like so refreshing. Super refreshing. And then I like to go in with this No Pore Bump primer, and it's a silicone based primer, and it's really good to cover like all your pores. I mostly have pores like on my nose and right here. And as you can see, that really smooths out like all your skin. It smooths it all out, makes an even base. The Morphe sponge, and it looks like this. Color, this is the Maybelline Matte and Poreless 220 Natural Beige. Let me just pour that. And I just pour it directly on there. Let me start blending that in. Since it's fall, I want to do something that everyone at home can recreate. Something easy that, you know, you could just do at home. I think I might want to do a cut crease actually. It's been a while since I've done a cut crease. So blend that down here. Do not forget your neck. Like, I always have to blend it down my neck because I have like quiet discoloration on my neck. So I always have to blend it on my neck. Just blend that all in. I could be here blending for days. Don't mind my hair. I like to mix concealers a lot. This is light beige. And the Maybelline Age Wine is in fair. I have discoloration like right here. I think they're veins or something. I don't know. Anyways, but I like to cover all of that. I don't know if I want to go to Black Friday. If y'all want me to go to Black Friday, comment, because I'm thinking about going. I've never went to Black Friday before. I think it'd be like fun. Like I kind of want to vlog it, you know. So next is the Maybelline Fit Me, and I heard lots of good things about this. Me struggling for 1 hour. And I'm assuming you pour it. I've never really been good at pouring powder. Like I always just take like the whole, like I take everything off and I just dip my beauty blender, my beauty sponge in there, or my brush. Okay, so I'm just gonna be putting that under my eyes with the beauty sponge. Oh wow, this powder is so silky. I feel like this is better for every day since it's so silky and smooth. I should really get my nose since I do wear glasses. I have to get that nose. She went in with powder. I'm gonna be using this Kathleen Lights Daydream palette because I haven't really used this palette, and I mean like I want to since it has like all these pretty colors. So first I'm gonna be going in with this color right here. It's just like a taupey brown color. Really cool. And I just like to put that in the crease. And I usually like to stamp it on first, but today I'm just trying to get like a, just like an easy like little wash of color. Let me do the other eye. With these edges. Make sure they're nice and blended. So let me go in with another brush. I'm gonna take, and I guess I'll just this warm brown, so make it more brown. I'm actually very warm, so it doesn't look as crazy. Let me just put this out and then I blend it. I put it on with a packing brush and then I blend it. Yeah, so you just want to put that like that, and then you want this side to look exactly like that one. See, and that gives you more definition. So let me go back in with this brush. I wouldn't normally use a brush this big to do this part, but since I want it to be more soft, like for fall, I'm gonna use it, and it's just gonna diffuse it a little bit. And I'm gonna take a Morphe M421 just to cut that crease up right here. I'm gonna start. So since I like how that looks, I'm gonna do that to the other eye, just so that one gets tacky, and when we lay the shimmer down, it'll look a lot nicer. Okay, so I'm liking how that's looking. So since I have those carved out, I'm gonna use another shader brush, or maybe this one. Let me wipe it off. It's gold. Right here is my BH Cosmetics Carly Bible palette, and it's this shade right here, and it's like a true gold. I think I want to use this one because I want to use something not like, I have golds that are more like vibrant, but I want this to be like very toned down, soft, and glam-ish. Wear this on Christmas, Thanksgiving. Oh, especially Thanksgiving, you want to wear something like toned down because you see like your mom, your grandma, whatever, your dad, your tios. And take some of this pink right here and put that in my inner corner. Don't mind my palette, it's really disgusting. So let me put that in the inner corner. So I'm just going to take this shade and just put it on the outer corner so everything blends evenly. And I'm just going to graze that edge. And since this is so neutral, I would suggest going with the eyeliner. There we go. Since I like how that looks, it'll look much better with lashes. So let me just do that on this side. And my lashes are on. I like to put my mascara after my lashes just so they like combine. Face is my favorite part because I love contouring. And I'm gonna use this Anastasia contour kit. I'm gonna take this shade in here, and this is the cool toned one, Fawn. I'm gonna take Fawn. It's like my favorite. On the cheekbones. Oh, I love how it sculpts it out. Sometimes I contour my nose, but like not all the time. So sometimes I'll just get like the same contour and just go like down my nose. It just kind of like pencils out the nose a little bit, just makes it more of a shadow. And I'm gonna take this red shade and just like bronze with it a little. And then I'm gonna take the same brush and then go into these two right here. They're already like going. And I'm just gonna put that underneath the chin right here, just to make it brighter. And then put some right here, just to be a little extra. Because when I'm doing full glam, I do like a lot of like makeup, like a lot. And then after I spray my face, I'm just gonna go back to that Mario Badescu spray and spray it, and then put on the highlight. For my highlight, I'm gonna be using this brush. This is the Morphe 14 by 14. This is the BH Dual Highlighting Palette, whatever. 9-color palette, and I'm gonna be taking, I think I'm gonna be taking this shade right here. It looks pink in the pan, but it's duochrome or whatever, and it's like gold. It's actual gold. So, see how it's actual gold. Oh, I should have tapped off my brush. Oh, this one is so bright. On my nose, on my cupid's bow, on my chin. And then that's all where I put California Pink blush. And I only like this blush because it's not like so pigmented. I only like it to like when I don't want that much pink, because a lot of times I do want like a lot of pink. So this one gives it like a little flush. I'm gonna be taking this brush right here. I use it sometimes to do my nose contour. This is a It Cosmetics brush, and it's just like a flat dome-ish brush. Okay, so I'm going with these two right here. Both ones I went in. I'm gonna start from down here. Let's do our lips now. I'm gonna be going in with the pink for lips, and this is the Anastasia Naked lipstick. It looks like this. I'll take this pencil since it's more warmer, and I'll go around it. This is like when I'm too lazy to like sharpen my actual pencils. I'll do this instead of like sharpening them. And this is the e.l.f. lipstick and Praline. I'm gonna go in with this bone shade right here for my under my eyebrows. I take my shadow so up high, if y'all noticed. So this is the finished look right here. I hope y'all like it. Very golden, very sparkly, very neutral, very fall-like. So yeah, thank you guys so much for watching. Please like and subscribe. It'll mean the world to me. Bye bye.